Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how much Goodbudget costs. When looking at budgeting software, understanding the pricing structure is essential before committing your hard-earned money. Goodbudget operates on a tiered pricing model designed to accommodate different levels of financial tracking needs, ranging from a completely free option to a robust paid tier. The first option available is the free forever plan. This tier costs $0 and is built for individuals who want to try out the digital envelope system without any financial commitment. However, it comes with strict limitations. Users on the free plan are restricted to 10 regular envelopes, 10 additional envelopes, 1 financial account, synchronization across up to 2 devices, and 1 year of transaction history. It also includes basic debt tracking and community support, but it does not support automatic bank syncing, meaning you must enter all of your transactions manually. For users who require more robust features and automation, Goodbudget offers its premium plan. The premium plan costs $10 per month if you choose the monthly billing option. Alternatively, you can choose to pay annually, which lowers the cost to $80 per year, effectively saving you money over the course of 12 months by bringing the average down to about $6.67 per month. Upgrading to the premium plan unlocks several key features designed to streamline your personal finance workflow. Most notably, it includes automatic bank syncing, though this feature is currently limited to US-based banks. It also removes all restrictions by offering unlimited regular and additional envelopes, as well as unlimited financial accounts. Furthermore, premium subscribers can sync their budget across up to 5 different devices, access 7 years of detailed transaction history, utilize debt tracking tools, and receive direct email support from the Goodbudget team. Deciding between the free plan and the paid premium tier depends entirely on your personal budgeting style and automation preferences. If you prefer manual entry, want to keep your costs at zero, and only need basic category tracking, the free version provides a functional entry point. If you manage household finances with a partner, want automated transaction downloads from US financial institutions, and need deep historical data, the $10 monthly or $80 annual investment delivers those advanced capabilities. Evaluating your specific requirements will help you choose the tier that aligns best with your financial goals and budget management strategy. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe.